everyone, my name is Hugh Blaine and I'm the president of Claris Consulting, and this is my video blog. Today this is a micro blog. It's a very short blog because I've been really intrigued by two conversations that I've had with clients today. And the two conversations have been about how conversations are either helping or hindering organizational performance. Let me tell you specifically what I mean. In both of those conversations, what I noticed was that there were two different styles of communicating. One is what if up and one is what if down. What does that mean? Let me explain to you. What if up is somewhat of in any conversation that requires, well, what if type thinking. Well, what if we were able to do this? This person goes into the affirmative, into the positive. Well, what if we were able to do this? Well, we would be able to have greater market penetration. We'd have greater customer satisfaction scores. We would have greater profitability. We'd have greater retention of our key customers. Everything is what if on the positive and the optimistic side. And that's really valuable, and there's nothing right or wrong with that. Then there are some people that go to the what if down. And I don't say that these people are negative, but I just say that they're much more pragmatic. They go into history and they pull the historical context into the present and say, well, what if we were to do that? Well, we might jeopardize some of our key clients because that's not the way that they like to communicate. And so therefore we would have lower customer satisfaction scores, and then we could jeopardize shareholder value. So they go to the what if down, one goes to a what if up. Now truly, no judgment over which one is right or wrong. I actually think you need both. But here's three things I want you to think about just in context of these conversations. One is, which style are you? Are you what if up or what if down? Number two, in most of your conversations, do you try and get people to think like you? In other words, if you meet a what if down person and do you try and convert them to what if up? If you do that, then in essence what you're doing is you're sending a very subtle subliminal message that their way of thinking is not necessarily right. So I want you to notice which one are you, and then what's your impact with people when you encounter someone who thinks differently than you do. And the third thing is that when you do encounter someone that thinks differently, I want you to just be really genuinely curious about the individual and their perspective. So that's the one thing that was missing on the two calls that I had today, is that people were not curious. What they were trying to do is to get others to think like them. It's not a smart strategy. So again, what style are you? What if up? What if down? Number two, what's the impact that you're noticing when you try and have what if up or what if down conversations with others that are dissimilar to you? And then just be really curious about why do people see it that way, and ask them questions about it so that you can fully understand it. So that's it. What if up? What if down? And hopefully if you find this engaging, we'll see you on the blog. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.